Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thank you for being here. I always learn a ton of stuff. What are we doing today?
So we're making zoodles, and so you might have heard this before. You can buy them raw in the grocery store. Ours are going to be a lot more affordable because we're making them ourselves.
Okay.
But they're zucchini noodles. That's where we're going. Zoodles, just like the electric company.
I know.
Zoodles, zucchini noodles.
We're putting the word together,
Yes.
zoodles.
Okay.
And a healthier option, obviously.
Yes, yeah, exactly. A healthier option than even whole wheat pasta. This is going to be a vegetable. You're getting lots of fiber and micronutrients, and it's filling. So this is a great substitution for pasta. So we just have a zucchini here, and we're going to cut the ends off.
Right.
And this, we're just going to call it a zoodler. There's different brands of these. They range between $5 and $10 and really do last well. We use these in our classes, and we used 2 for like 160 classes.
Oh my
and
goodness.
So it really stays sharp for a long time.
You're going to use it for a while.
Yes. So use a little bit of force, and basically you're just pushing the vegetable.
With the peel. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
It's okay.
But
yeah, we
don't
didn't
take
peel
the
it.
peel off or anything like that.
Right. And you'll have to cut it every once in a while, otherwise you're going to be like Lady and the Tramp noodles. They're going to be very, very long.
Very, very long ones.
Yes.
That works very slick.
Oh, it really is
along.
well. Yes. Okay, and so these are just going to go onto a sheet pan. Sorry, I just stepped on you.
No, you're good.
Onto a sheet pan, a little bit of olive oil, tiny bit of salt if you want, pepper. The salt will actually help some of that moisture evaporate, so it is important. Just don't overdo it if you're trying to.
Right, because that's always interesting to me, because you hear about high sodium and trying to be better about that, but yet salt really plays an important part.
It's more than just flavor.
Cooking, right?
Yes, because it helps remove the moisture as you're roasting something.
Okay.
Yeah, so what I'm trying to say, it promotes caramelization.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, so these zoodles would just go straight onto the pan, and then we've roasted these for around 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, depending on your oven at 425 convection setting if you have it.
Oh, okay, that's good to know.
Yes, and so again, this is just an example for serving, but you could do pesto, you could do any other kind of pasta sauce that you like, but look how pretty that is.
Dude, so are you just looking for kind of a slight browning caramelization, like you said, for it to be done?
Yeah.
You know when to pull it out of the oven?
We've made some before that were maybe over caramelized, okay? So you do have to kind of watch them.
So you just watch it and see.
Yeah. You could taste it just like this. I am going to go ahead and put a little bit of jarred sauce. Okay, I'm sorry I did not heat this up. So if we were in real life, you would put this on the stove,
warm it up for your
warm
family?
it up. Yes, I would warm it up for those that I love. Okay.
But not you.
Okay, so you can go ahead and take a little taste of that.
I would love it. So basically you're just replacing the zoodles as you would like a pasta noodle, just for your healthier option.
Yeah, totally.
I do have
Totally. And you could sub yellow squash for this. I can't think of a lot of other subs just because it's the perfect texture.
I do have Lady and the Tramp going on.
Yeah, they're just so yummy, and they just have a buttery, silky texture to them.
Yes.
Without a bunch of fat.
I mean, you actually get much more flavor, I feel like, if you do these versus, say, your regular pasta.
Right.
It's delicious, and I bet even with the sauce warmed up, it would be amazing.
Right. Next time.
I just have to give you a hard time. Thank you very much. These are delicious. If you want to learn about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.